don't know what it is that attracts me to old machines. Like a magnet to steel, it provokes my imagination. Who made it? I don't mean the brand, the people behind the development. I've only had the engine for so long, yet these questions run around my mind on repeat. Its functionality has changed, fit for purpose, to help the 21st century and to ease its endeavours, whatever they were. What kind of history goes back on this engine? Could they have imagined 80 years later someone would be admiring the industrial object of a bygone era? Did the farmer, the mechanic or the apprentice use the same amount of enthusiasm and eagerness as me? Maybe. Most likely not. If only the engine could share the history it has been exposed to. In this moment it could answer my questions. Is this the wrong way or the right way? Those thoughts will continue to run through my mind as I work on this engine from morning to night, just to get it back into the condition it once was, or should be. The calming mindset that releases me when working on such machinery. A mechanical therapy, you could say. A kind of numbness with my thoughts at rest. To really see the inner functions that were boxed away over time as I work on this engine around all of my other hobbies and creations that I've made throughout the years that have got me here, standing right in front of me, this vintage engine, a survivor. All of the opportunities this engine holds, the challenges, the frustrations, the crafting, the repairing, the giving purpose to new and old, the triumph. I think when we're dealing with old machinery, we have that sense of duty, a sense of pride that we must restore something that someone at one point in time in the past made so much effort to creating. Even though it's an industrial object, it has a sense of well-being. It needs to be saved. And I think that's the point of restoration. It's these challenges to be able to get something that once was not functioning and return it to its previous glory. The challenges, the frustrations, the crafting, the repairing, giving purpose to new and old. All this effort is leading to a common goal. The goal of functionality, of restoring an engine that once was not running and it was a static, inanimate object, leads to this one moment. We reach that moment of achievement, of success, and then what? We look for another project. We move on and find something else.